Furnace is OP as fuck, so I'm gonna be playing this Furnace, Miner, Rocket, Cycle deck, and we are going to win some games. I know I was playing Ice Blue before, but dude, Furnace is so good. I've got to use this card before they nerf it. Hopefully, maybe this will get me to 10k. But I won one game with it. I don't know about the synergy of this deck. The Miner feels kind of out of place, but the rest of these cards feel good. I think it's just the brokenness of this whatchamacallit, Furnace card is what really carries here. I'm gonna go Sparky in the back, which is beautiful because that will allow me to hit that with a Rocket. We're gonna take one Musketeer shot, but it's okay. So yeah, my 2 level under damn, so he's still gonna defend this, even though gotta go like this. Use my bats. Really need that to die here. If you don't mind, thank you. We're gonna take a little bit of damage. And yeah, so I realized that I haven't really been talking about much in my recent videos, and that's the whole point of my videos, is to talk, and you guys want to hear me speak about life, because I am the most important person in each of your lives. So what better way to start this video off but by talking about myself. So today I went to the library, I finished one essay. Hopefully after this video is done, I will finish another one. We're gonna go with the defensive mortar here. Why? Don't know. I'll finish another one. I plan on going out to this kind of game bar, basically like Dave and Buster's type thing later, just because I haven't been there in a while, and I've just been meaning to do something spontaneous with some buddies before they all go back to college. So that'll be cool. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Hopefully, yeah. And today, so like I said, I went to the library. I had a little bit of work today. Just got back from there, made some money, and what I kind of wanted to. Okay, so he's gonna activate his King Tower there, which is kind of annoying. Bats might get on tower. They will get on tower. Cool. This guy's just kind of fucking about right now, so he's probably going to. Okay, he's gonna Mega Knight in the back. So we're gonna get that locked onto the tower. We'll Furnace in the back. I'm a little bit nervous for this, so I'm gonna Miner like here because I want everything to survive. Hopefully catch all that good stuff. Please don't move too far. Beautiful. I think this should be enough for a good defense. And we'll go like this. Wow, beautiful defense, and that mortar should maybe get a hit on tower. Beautiful, we love to see it. So yeah, I guess the deck is kind of working. It's just kind of abusing how good Furnace is. And we have Miner, which is always a broken card. 10 seconds left, and it looks like we've completely outplayed this guy. He's gonna go for a Sparky push in the back. It's too late, little bro. Yeah, so I've been working at this place as a tennis coach since maybe my senior year of high school. Not maybe, definitely my senior year of high school. And it's been good money, and the guy has been really chill, my boss. I'm kind of like, we've just kind of known each other, and now I don't really even work for the country club. I just kind of help him out, which is cool. So but the guy himself, he's a pretty interesting character. Like, some of the stuff he says is like bewildering. Like, he is, when I tell you no filter, like, he's an older dude, no filter at all. Like, I do it with one of my Indian buddies. He makes a lot of comments about, you know, his ethnicity, which is just like, you know, interesting from an employer's perspective, that's you know what he's doing. So he's gonna miss that Miner actually, which is cool. We're gonna get rid of that Princess nice and early. We're gonna go with a defensive mortar. So this is an interesting matchup. I don't really know how these matchups work at all. Obviously, I don't want to lose my mortar, but there, I think I kind of had to. We should definitely get a Furnace down, because that is the claim. That is our claim to fame in this deck. But yeah, like I remember one time, so I used to work when I actually worked for the country club instead of just like for him. There was this tennis camp that we would do for a bunch of kids. Nice that we were able to snipe that out. And like, he would say out of pocket things all the time at this camp. And I remember one time he had like water balloons or something like that, because, you know, it's in the summer, and he was walking around tossing it in his hand, and he was like looking at it all the while he's around like a bunch of kids, and he's looking at it, he goes, "This shit looks like my left nut," just completely unprompted. And I was like, yo, what? Like, Are we, like, we're really saying that? Good thing is, look at that. The miner will push everything back behind the tower and we'll actually get some shots, which we love to see. Absolutely love to see that. Furnace hopefully will lock in, kill everything, send the fire spirit towards... No, it won't send the fire spirit. Okay, so this is ugly. This is definitely ugly. This is very ugly because that princess still hasn't died. Okay, so we're in a bad spot, as you guys can clearly see. We're gonna play this Evo Furnace here. We're gonna see if we can keep it alive. E-Spirit lock in. Nope, he's gonna log it. Yeah, so we're in a bad spot. So what better time than now to maybe get a little push going here. We lose our bats, which is super annoying. We're gonna go like this with our furnace. Spirit Goblin's there. We want to keep our mortar alive as long as possible. I was gonna lightning it all. Somehow that, yeah, so we're gonna lose this game. Yeah, the deck definitely isn't perfect. It's only, I think it's only good because of furnace. We weren't really able to break through this guy at all with any significant chip, and I feel like we didn't have two small spells to really deal with this princess here. Yeah, we're gonna lose it. We're gonna definitely lose this game. But he would say a lot of questionable things, like I just mentioned, and he still does. And that's just his character, and it's funny. Like a lot of weird comments about people that are, you know, underage, but we're not gonna get into that stuff. We'll play one more game. Not to out him. Hopefully, you know, he'll never see this video. Not that I mentioned his name or anything like that, or even where. But yeah, whoa, we're playing on level 11 Pancake Tower. That's interesting. You shouldn't really do this ever, but I'm gonna miner first play. We're gonna have furnace in the back. This is interesting. This is super interesting. Don't want to lose our furnace already, so we'll go like that. Try to protect it. We'll log everything because I don't want to lose everything here. Okay. Oh my god. Are we serious? Please kill it. Dude, this is that game? Like, actually, I lost. But like, what is that clone mechanic, bro? We're gonna lose to a level 11 Pancake Tower. That's actually unreal. Volvicon power. I don't know. I don't really know what to do with this deck. I want to protect our furnace, but we don't. Don't really have much for this wizard. I have to like kind of let him lock on here. It's 2 hits. I mean, nah, we're not looking good in the slightest. Don't really know how to break through this guy. We definitely want to get our evos down as soon as possible. Spear goblins are down. We're gonna get this furnace down, which is supposed to be good against tanks. We really need... Yeah, we lost. I mean, I don't even know what's... There's nothing in my deck that really is strong against these tanks, so we're gonna get screwed here. Yeah, so this was definitely experimental, and it did not work out. We're getting boned by a dude with a level 11 Pancake Tower. That's embarrassing, but yeah, I wanted to try this gross-ass card that everyone's been raving about, and I've been completely outplayed by a level 11 Pancake Tower. I don't even know if it's really outplayed. I can't even do anything against this guy's deck. But it's gonna be a pretty short video today. I hope you guys enjoyed.